Hi again. This time I have a pocket rocket called the Emisar D4. This particular one has 4 Nichia 219C with green anodize, like so. As you can see, it has 4 emitters. The good thing about this is that it's really bright for its size. I mean, on startup, it easily reached 3000 lumens, and because it's so bright, it's also really hot. But thankfully, the light also features a temperature regulation, so it won't destroy itself if you leave it on. It also has a side switch, like so. Let's see what's inside. You only get O-ring, no clip, no holster. The light itself is really smooth, no knurling, so kind of slippery if you hold it with your hand wet. So I have this light for a month now, so this is not a new light. I've been using it on and off. The lack of clip, I found it not really good, because the light is small, it's slippery, and if you put it in the pocket without clip, it just feels loose. So it would be nice if they include the clip with the light. So let's go on with the light itself. It doesn't have tail clicky, as you can see. It also has the name of the flashlight itself, the Emisar D4. To use this light, you will be needing a high drain, or lithium 18650. So make sure you're using the best in class. Like in this case, I'm using the LG HG2 battery. You can also use the TQ for Samsung as well. They are as good. And you can use a flat top battery like this, no problem, because there are 2 springs on both ends, so you can use it like so. Upon connection, upon power up, you'll get double flash like this. As you can see, once you power up the driver, you'll get confirmation. Double flash like so. To switch on the light, you just click. Switch off, you just click again. What I like about this light is that it has ramping UI. What it means is that the brightness is infinite. What I mean infinite is it has 150 levels that you can choose from. So if you start from the lowest mode, you just press and hold, as you can see. Switch on the lowest mode. To ramp up the brightness, you just hold it like so, as you can see, and then ramp down again. See, if you want to go ramp up and then ramp down, you just ramp up and then press again, it will go down again. So easy. If you want to go to turbo, you just double click while in on position. Double click. Now it's go turbo. Wow, so bright, and it gets hot really fast, as you can see. Oh, I'll show you how much it it draws from the battery. It's crazy for the light is small. Let me prepare my tool. Let me see. It's just going to be hard to do on camera. I hope I'm not gonna burn my hand or something like that. You can see. Let's see how much it draws on turbo. 14, 15. Yeah, my battery is slightly discharged. As you can see on the slightly discharged battery, mine is drawing nearly 15 amps. But I measured on the fully charged battery, it draws around 19 amps. So make sure you are using your best cell, otherwise you won't get the full brightness of this light. So you can also test your battery voltage by triple clicking. 1, 2, 3. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it means 3.9 volt. So my battery is at 3.9 volt. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3. That means 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means 3.9. Just and click again. I'll give you the link to the description on how the UI work. The UI itself is called Emisar D4 UI. This one, the one that I have here, is a version 2 of the firmware. This flashlight is running open source firmware, so you can have a look on the code yourself. If you want to, you can modify it if you have the ability, but in the stock form it's amazing. So let's try again. Turbo. This flashlight is really hot. Wow. Let me put the meter. Let me put the meter. Hold on. I'll show you how hot it gets in a second. See. There. Yeah, how am I going to attach this? Let's use this. Oh well. Let's see. Let's switch to turbo. Now this is turbo. As you can see. Oh, it's regulating now. As you can see, it's climbing fast. Wow. Now, I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's stepping down. It will stepping down again. Wow, that 50. Wow, 6. No, I won't be able to touch this. Okay, enough. Wow, this is hot. 57, 50. Wow. Yeah, it will regulate itself, so it won't destroy it. But if you leave it on. But if you put this in the pocket, make sure you lock it out. Otherwise, you don't want something that hot in your pan and caught fire. So, all in all, this is a great flashlight, great build, a true pocket rocket. This one is, I think this one costs, if I can remember, $40. Yeah, $40. You can also choose the XPL version, which add $18 on top of the $40, so $58 if you want the XPL version, which also have higher lumens and better throw. But for colors, I prefer the Nichia version. I don't care much about the difference in the lumens. I'll give you the description link to the how the UI work in the description and where to buy it. So thank you for watching.